Tips: when the drone taking off, make sure the operator is 3 meters away from the aircraft. Keep away from crowds and belongings when flying. Operators must follow the instructions, pay attention to flight safety, and be aware of the accident liability caused by their own negligence. Before taking off, make sure that the GPS calibration is successful and the number of searching satellites is more than 10 m/s. Parts replacement. Wind blade installation of drone. Twist out the screw. Remove the blades. Distinguishing the left or right blades when replacing the blades. Put in the wind blade. Rotate and tighten the blades. Tighten the screw. Battery replacement and charging. Push the buckle and pull out the battery. Connect the USB charging line to battery charging outlet and the 5V 3 to 5 ampere adapter USB socket. Battery indicator always lights up after filling. Push the charged battery into the battery chute. Open the Wi-Fi box. Unscrew the screw. Press the buckle. Extrude and open the Wi-Fi cover. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan and download app Lula RC. Connect to Wi-Fi in mobile settings. After successful connection, open app. Pre-flight preparations. Take up the drone. Expand the arms of the drone. Press the power button for 4 seconds to start. At this point, the drone's red light flashes. Turn on the switch. Drone enters the pair frequency status automatically. At this point, the red light of the drone goes out. Turn to front white light and the back blue light. The successful pair frequency between drone and remote control. At this point, the LCD screen of the remote controller displays Mode 1. Mode 1 is indoor optical flow mode. Can flying indoors. Place the left and the right rock keys in the lower right corner at the same time. Drone lights flash. 3 seconds later, the gyroscope calibration was successful. Press the geomagnetic calibration key. On the red, white, and blue lights of the drone flash rapidly. Horizontal takeoff drone about 1 meter from the ground. Turn 3 times.